Ahmed was a mischievous and naughty child in the first grade. He had a bad habit of showing impatience and haste in everything he did. While it is good to examine things deeply and remain curious, his impatience and emotional nature often landed him in trouble. The same was true for him at school. During lessons, he would bounce on his chair, sometimes playing with his pencil eraser, raising his hand eagerly before the teacher finished her questions, and starting to speak before giving others a chance. Ahmed's class teacher, Miss Shireen, was a kind and patient woman. She knew that Ahmed was a bright and intelligent student, but she also understood that patience is a virtue that needs to be learned. One day, when Miss Shireen came into the class, she had some seeds with her. She explained that the first grade children would work together to create a beautiful garden in the schoolyard and take care of it, with each student receiving some seeds to plant. Ahmed was very excited. He cleaned his little garden every day and watered it. Miss Shireen explained to Ahmed that patience was essential for the garden to flourish. As the weeks went by, Ahmed began to understand the importance of patience. He noticed that the tiny plant had emerged from the soil and was gradually growing taller each day. One morning, he saw a tiny yellow bud alongside the plant. He regularly watered the plants and awaited the blooming of the petals. He found beauty in this process and realized that everything takes time to complete. One bright morning, the little bud finally transformed into a sunflower. "Look, Ahmed. See what your patience has brought forth," Miss Shireen said to Ahmed. His face was beaming with joy.